new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell button to get notification every time we have a new video. So today we are going to do a unboxing of the electric bicycle. So you've watched my electric scooter, so now I already saw that, and now I'll be reviewing a new toy, the electric bicycle. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go. I ordered this electric bike from Lazada, so shipping is already included on the price that I'll be showing you guys later. Super heavy. Here are the parts, and we're having difficulty putting this thing, oh no, right inside, so we don't know how to do it. And there's like electric thing here. It's so huge and it's so heavy. I give up. I really cannot figure out how to put the head and make it work, so I just paid a technician to assemble this part and also attach the other parts of the electric bike. So here are some parts of the bicycle. This one goes at the back of the motorcycle, and of course there's a little cute basket, and this one is like the inner basket. I'll show you later on. Some screw just like this to screw this at the back. This is like the back seat. There. I'm not sure if this is right, but yeah, anyways. After a few hours, I was still not able to complete everything. As you can see, there's still some screws that are missing, like one here. But I was able to finish this one and the inner basket. But the head, I was not able to attach it. Like if you try to move this part right here, the wheels will not follow. That's why I just called a technician to fix it for me. And I just paid 100 baht for this. There you have it. Everything has been attached. It's all finished. It looks good. This is the tail light and the headlight. The only downside of this electric bicycle is that there's no signal light and side mirrors that comes with it. So I had to buy a separate one in Lazada. There are 2 copies of the keys and also the alarm keys. There are many different colors for this electric bicycle, and I specifically chose the black one because it looks more expensive and classy looking. By the way, this electric bike has 3 different gears: the slowest, eco mode, and of course the fastest. And if you happen to exhaust all your battery, you can use the manual bike. And I'm telling you, it is heavy. I look weird right here. I'm having difficulty to balance it because it is really heavy. If you happen to have a little bit of your battery, then you can use your lowest gear to help you push and paddle your electric bicycle. By the way, this one can run up to 60 kilometers per charge, and the speed limit is 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. It can also carry up to 180 kilograms. hope you guys enjoy the electric scooter. It is indeed worth it. The reason why I bought it because it is actually faster and the kilometer range is actually longer, so I don't have to charge it like every day or every 3 days. Now I just charge it like once or twice a week. So normally every Monday I charge it and it could last me the whole week, and it's faster than my electric scooter before, so I find it very worth it. So if you want to buy it, go. It's very cheap in Lazada. You can, save gas. My electricity is still the same. It didn't really went up. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again on our next vlog. Bye. Stay fabulous.